tummy hurts badly, please help me quickly. It really hurts.
Leo, what happened? Tell me where your stomach hurts right now, sweetheart. David, Leo needs to see a doctor tomorrow.
Leo, when did you last wash your hands properly?
This morning maybe?
Leo, I want to show you something important today.
Is it scary?
This is what lives on unwashed hands. That's the boss.
He has a tiny monocle.
This one spreads germs when you touch new surfaces.
Like the school railings Leo grabs every day? Today feels amazing! I'll score many goals with friends outside after breakfast. Pass me quickly! Watch this incredible move! Nobody steals my soccer today! Goal! Did everyone see that incredible kick? I'm absolutely on spot today, friends!
Leo, breakfast is ready. Come inside before pancakes become cold downstairs.
Coming, Mom! Wow, breakfast smells incredible! I'm starving after soccer practice outside this morning.
Leo, did you wash your hands properly before touching breakfast food today?
Perfect! Completely clean already, Moon. Leo, proper washing needs 20 seconds. Invisible germs still remain afterwards sometimes. It's okay. Mom's pancakes taste incredible today. Nothing beats breakfast after exciting soccer matches.
That soccer game exhausted me completely. Short naps always recharge energy quickly afterward.
My tummy feels not good today. Leo, did you wash before your snack just now? My tummy hurts badly, please help me quickly. It really hurts.
Leo, what happened? Tell me where your stomach hurts right now, sweetheart.
Hurts badly.
David, Leo needs to see a doctor tomorrow.
I'll call Dr. James in the morning.
Doctor, I don't want to go to the doctor. Anna, does the doctor give needles? Not always. Just tell the truth in there. No clinic! Not COVID! No! That boy ran. Maybe I can also run.
Leo, that's us. Come on, brave boy.
I am brave. I'm just also scared.
Hi, Leo. I'm Dr. James. What hurts today?
My tummy is hurt for 2 days now.
Leo, when did you last wash your hands properly?
This morning maybe?
Leo, I want to show you something important today.
Is it scary? That's on my hands right now, on me.
This is what lives on unwashed hands. That's the boss.
He has a tiny monocle.
This one spreads germs when you touch new surfaces.
Like the school railings Leo grabs every day? He eats everything. He never stops eating.
He gets inside your tummy when you don't wash.
Did I invite them in by not washing?
Yes, Leo, that is exactly what happened.
3 weeks. They've been there 3 whole weeks. Do you ever forget to wash your hands too? Leo did.
Wash 20 seconds properly. Tiny germs completely disappear, Leo. Look carefully, Leo. Germs spread everywhere without proper hand washing.
Run!
Run faster! Super attack started! Save yourselves immediately! Between fingers too, Leo, germs hide inside tiny spaces. Somebody save my beautiful launcher, please! Like this, Leo. Fingers spread between each one.
He said he long.
It can't be. He's actually washing properly.
My hands feel actually different now. They feel clean.
That's what clean hands always feel like.
Anna, the commander had a monocle. A tiny one. Leo, that's not the important part of today.
Are you counting, Leo? Between your fingers too?
1, 2, 3. I'm doing it properly this time.
Leo, lunch is ready.
I know. I'm washing first. 20 seconds.
Sophie, he washed before lunch without being asked.
I noticed. Something changed in that clinic today.
Jake, germs are real. Wash your hands.
You're being weird today, Leo.
20 seconds. Commander is not winning today.
Leo, how does your tummy feel this week?
Good! Really good! The germs are not winning! You stopped the commander yourself. You chose that.
Small habits make big problems. I know now. Football, mud. The commander would love this.
Leo, stop. Your hands. Look at your hands right now. Leo, the bathroom is... I know where it is. I'm going. 20 seconds. These taste better. Clean hands. Better crisps. That's a fact. How crisps work, Leo?
How was the park?
Washed. At the bathroom. 20 seconds.
Leo, you did that yourself before anyone asked you.
The commander is not winning today, Dad.
Well, I think today has been earned.
I completely agree.
I have to wash first. You all know why. Nobody asked you to, Leo.
I earned this ice cream. I really earned it.
You washed before. That's the point, Leo.
New hand, new kingdom. We begin again.
New launcher! New territory! This is my purpose!
Chris, different ones. These are even better somehow.
Wash your hands, or we win.
Do Do you wash your hands for 20 seconds? Really?